How to create an account on Agoda. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily create an account on your Agoda. So first thing, just head over to Play Store and make sure you have successfully downloaded and installed Agoda application. So it's one of the best application to book hotels and flights. So just open the application just like this. So once you're inside here, you'll be given three different options, or I should say four different options, where you can actually log in with your or sign up with your email, Apple ID, as well as Facebook or Google as well. So I'll just tap on this email option and I'll enter my email address over here, and I'll just click on continue, where it will ask me to enter my first name and last name. So I will do it so just like this, and just click on continue, and it may ask you to enter your verification code, which has been sent to my provided Gmail. So once you enter your verification code, just click on continue, and it should get you to sign in successfully to your application just like that. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.